Good morning, viewers. Welcome to my YouTube channel of astrologer Anil Agarwal. Today we will be talking about the third wave of coronavirus. I've already mentioned in my article on the 21st April 2021 when nobody could even dream of the third wave has already taken, it has already started, I had predicted that from the 20th June 2021, when Jupiter goes in retrogression, that will be the time when the third wave will start. It has been observed as per the past that whenever the longitudinal distance between Jupiter and Saturn decreases, especially when Jupiter is approaching the debilitation sign, it is most venomous because Saturn is the karka for disease and death, and Jupiter is a Jiva planet, and Jupiter is the 9th lord of the natural zodiac. Saturn is the 10th and the 11th lord of the natural zodiac, and these are the two major planets which define everything. Now, since Jupiter has started its journey in retrogression towards the debilitation sign, and Jupiter gets afflicted when it is in retrogression, when it is in Rahu Ketu axis, when it is with any malefic, and when it is fallen. Now, Jupiter, its journey towards Capricorn is most venomous because it will be fallen, retrograde, and debilitated. Now, the longitudinal distance between Jupiter and Saturn will decrease less than 16 degrees from the 14th September to 20th November 2021, and it will be minimum between 11th October to 18th October. So the peak time, and it will start, the longitudinal distance will start increasing from the 2nd of December and 8th of January, when Jupiter crosses the sign and the degrees from where it had retrograded. So primarily speaking, the third wave will show its head with magnitude after the 14th September to 20th November, and the peak period will be from September to December, and fine-tuning it from the 11th of October to 18th of October. And it will ease only after, it will start easing after the 2nd December and 8th January, and when Ketu leaves the sign Scorpio. So this is a nutshell, and the worst thing is that the September month is most enigmatic due to the following reasons. One, it has got a lunation in September. The lunation is of 13 days, and it is said as per Bharit Samhita that when the lunation is less than is 13 degrees, then it is there is untoward happenings in the world and tragedies. So since coronavirus third wave is also taking place at that time, this time is most venomous. The other thing is the solar ingress in Virgo, the sign Gemini is rising, and Jupiter attains the status of the Marak, Vadak, Kendradipati dosh, and it is fallen, retrograde, and debilitated in the 8th house with Saturn and Moon on the 17th September 2021. So, nutshell, this is what I just wanted to share, that the third wave has already started, and friends, if we don't take precautions at this time, then it could be worse even than the second wave, because Jupiter is first class Marak in this time, especially when Sun goes in Virgo, and it will behave like a mad elephant, and this elephant has the capacity to ruin the jungle. Similarly, Jupiter has the capacity to ruin everything because it is the 100% benefic planet. it is the karka for children, it is the karka for wealth, it is the karka for expansion, it is the karka, it's a divine planet, and when this divine planet is afflicted, it can ruin everything. And since it is with Saturn, the karka for longevity, karka for death, and it is Marak, both get together, Saturn and Jupiter both become Marak. So Saturn, what is Saturn? Saturn is masses, Saturn is the old people, the Saturn is the worker class, and Saturn is also agriculture. So so friends, all this is going to suffer a lot of suffering. And then Saturn is also politics. So there are five primarily reasons for which all this is going to happen. 5 things will happen apart from the coronavirus. We'll discuss it separately. But what I'm trying to tell you is the most venomous time has started, and if we don't take precautions right now, we are going to suffer. This is my warning to the complete world. Not only India, but for the complete world. Because the sign allotted to US is Gemini, and for Gemini, Saturn and Jupiter in the 8th house will be Marak, as I've mentioned. So for US, it is most malefic. In China, it will be in the Lagna, and the sign Capricorn is allotted to India. The sign, whenever the sign Capricorn is afflicted, there is suffering to India. And as for the D6 and D8 charts, I have seen that there will be chronicity for the disease. And this has been predicted in April 2021 when nobody could even dream of. And all my predictions for coronavirus have proved spot on, whether it is the start of coronavirus, whether it is the second wave or the easing of the second wave and the start of the third wave. So that's all, friends. Best of luck. Take care of yourself, and bye-bye.